Plenum cable is specifically designed to be installed in air handling spaces such as ductwork, plenums, and other areas where air circulates. It's manufactured with a special flame retardant jacket that prevents the spread of fire if a fire occurs. Installing plenum cable in ductwork is considered acceptable and good workmanship by both electricians and air conditioning personnel. This is because it provides a safe and code-compliant way to run electrical cables in these locations. There are some reasons why it is considered good practice to run plenum cable in ductwork. Firstly, there is safety. Plenum cable is flame retardant, meaning that it will not propagate fire in the event of a fire. Ductwork can act as a conduit for fire to spread throughout a building, so using the right cable is important for preventing this risk. Secondly, code compliance. Most building codes require that electrical cables installed in ductwork be plenum cable. Plenum cable is specifically designed to be used in these areas. Thirdly, ease of installation. Plenum cable is relatively easy to install, and it can be pulled through ductwork without requiring special tools or equipment. Using plenum rated cable is important for a variety of reasons, including safety and code compliance. Ensuring the correct choice in cable and installation practice in areas like ductwork where the cable can be found inside is vital to adhering to standards and preventing risk.